I think a parent needs to be aware about tantrums. I have not hit my child ever. Things have changed a lot.
So, how important it is to find your own self?
As a mother, be the best version of yourself. You don't find yourself first. So toddler tantrums are natural to happen. I missed saying the most important point why a child has tantrums these days is screen time.
Reducing screen time is a big issue with the parents nowadays. So, how do you handle your child?
There are different ways of handling a child. There's actually a quote saying that the best gift you can give your child
Is
is a happy
mother.
mom. All of us have to find ways to find a village. Like you may have your parents' support, you may have somebody who you can rely on. But if you really want to do something, figure out a way, is all I'm saying. Calmness is mom's superpower. Every mom, if you want a superpower, stay calm. That's your biggest superpower you can have as a mother.
Hello, everyone, and welcome again to yet another episode of A Happy World Within, a show which talks about happiness, health, joys, and your unlimited potential. So, the basic aim and purpose of his show is to bring around people जो अपनी अपनी फील्ड में दिग्गज हैं, अपनी अपनी फील्ड्स के एक्सपर्ट्स हैं एंड उनके साथ बात करके उनकी नॉलेज लेके हम सब कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने को हम सबको मिले। सो आज मेरे साथ इस शो के ऊपर है पूजा दरूका, who is a young mom, a mom to a toddler, a content creator, a certified life coach, a parenting expert, I would rather say, and who runs an Instagram channel, a very thriving Instagram channel, Decoding Mommy Life. So I'm super excited to meet this young girl because उनसे जो 10 मिनट मेरी बात हुई है, इतना कुछ उनके बारे में मुझे पता लगा. Even I am more curious to know more about her journey and what brought her to this space called Decoding Mommy Life. So over to Pooja Daruka. Hi Pooja,
Hi,
and welcome to
Angelita.
this show. And it's so lovely to meet you. Such a pleasant face, such a cute smile you have.
Thank you so much. You too. Your smile is contagious.
Thank you so much, Pooja. अ, मैं आपसे बात कर रही थी, आपने बहुत कुछ अपने बारे में बताया एंड आई वाज़ लाइक अच्छा और कुछ रहता है? सो आई वुड वांट यू टू टेल द फॉलोअर्स एंड द ऑडियंस ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट शो समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. आप कहाँ से हैं? क्या करते हैं? व्हाट ब्रॉट यू टू बिकम अ लाइफ कोच एंड अ पेरेंटिंग एक्सपर्ट?
Okay. So, I was in a boarding school. I'm born in Orissa
ओके,
and I moved to boarding school in Missouri in the north
ओके.
for my studies. And then I've lived in different places in India and I've also been out for studies in Europe. So I do have a diverse experience in terms of just seeing different people, meeting a lot of people who've been staying without their parents. Boarding school never experienced that,
हुँ, हुँ.
right? So my journey started when I myself became a mother around 3 to 4 years back. So when I was expecting my child, I used to do a lot of research. I have this habit of researching and finding the best thing I want to do. What should I do? What should I eat? मुझे क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? I'm very very I
एज़ अ
would say
मॉम यू
finicky.
वांटेड टू गिव द बेस्ट टू द
Best
अनबॉर्न चाइल्ड
unborn
आल्सो.
child also to myself, to my health, to have the best things because मुझे हमेशा से I used to read about NLP a lot, which is
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ.
neuro linguistic
लिंग्विस्टिक.
programming, and I got to know from that you can actually program someone's brain, subconscious minds, right? मुझे था कि why not ensure that even the unborn child has the best of life,
वाओ!
and I can do that by programming my subconscious mind when the person is inside my thing.
व्हाट एन अवेयर मदर यू आर.
Yeah, so I started doing a lot of research. And when I started doing these researches, I found such valuable information. मुझे लगा, why not share it with the other moms also,
हुँ,
who
हुँ.
are in the same journey, who are struggling. And of course, जो हमारे parents बताते हैं, that's also very, very valuable. But things have changed a lot. And not necessary that they also know the best of things. They want the best of the things, but we do not know also if they have the entire awareness. अब इतने resources भी नहीं थे.
हुँ, हुँ.
Right? So coming back to my story, when I was expecting, I thought, let me just start a blog. बहुत naturally शुरू हुआ मेरा. I started sharing my experiences as an expecting mother,
हुँ,
what
हुँ.
I eat, what I do, everything, and even like what I'm purchasing for myself. Even if like buying a maternity wear,
ओह!
there are mothers who are struggling. कहाँ से लें? So even recommendations on
You
normal
started
products,
creating awareness about it.
awareness. So then what gave me inspiration is so many mothers would reach out saying it's so relatable and thank you so much. So my content was not only relatable, but also very impactful. So then when my child was born, I started doing product recommendations based on what I would buy for him because I wanted the best and the authentic things. and my journey continued. And I did not know so many parents will resonate. And somehow this became my passion. I am, of course, a working mother. I have a 9 to 5 job as well.
Oh, wow.
But apart from that, I thought, let me start this journey of following my passion of sharing information with others. And I started reading up a lot. I landed up pursuing child psychology, which I'm still doing. And I also ended up taking coaching certification so I can help
So
others.
that is what I am amazed that at such a young age you've achieved. Like you're on a achievement spree. ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. So this is really commendable because when you are aware as a mother and as a woman particularly what you want in life, I think nothing can stop you.
Right. And I think there's so much more to achieve. Like I'm also undergoing phonics training right now for my child because what they will be taught in school versus if I do not know the same thing, there will be gap when he's talking to me when he comes back home.
Mm.
So there's a lot more to be achieved, I feel. But it's been very good so far.
But the
My
journey
page,
has started very beautifully that I can see.
yeah, I think it has been a struggle also managing the page because the more you're doing and then you want to do more and more, but
Mhm,
you don't have the time,
mhm,
like being a working mother and also managing your child at home and everything else around it. And that's the question I get from my audience. How do you manage so much?
mhm.
Because as mothers, everyone is struggling already managing a child is the only thing about managing a child itself is such a struggle that you don't have time to do anything else.
I can very
So
well relate to all this
so
because
the
being
only
a
thing I
mother.
tell them is if you're passionate about something, you'll find time. You'll make time for it. Priorities. It's about your priorities and delegate what you can. If there is something which you can hire somebody to do for you, then don't do it
Do it.
yourself. Do things that you want to spend time with your child, but not necessarily कि आपको ही उसका टिफिन लगाना है. If somebody else can do it, but you can guide that person. Let's do that.
So, Pooja, coming to this thing that at such a young age and being a mother to a toddler, I guess your child must be three
Three and a
years,
half.
3.5 years. I was guessing that because जो मैंने social media पे देखा, I could guess 3.5 year old baby. So, this is such a time consuming job being a mother to a toddler, especially because they are totally, totally, totally dependent on you.
Yes.
And you are pursuing your job also, you're pursuing child psychology also, you're an ICF certified life coach also, and you're running the page also, and obviously looking after the family affairs, the cooking, the kitchen, and management. Doesn't it become overwhelming at times?
It is. Honestly, it is.
Pressurizing and overwhelming.
It is overwhelming. Honestly, I would not lie that it is not. There are days when I feel maybe I'm, biting too much more than I can chew. Uh, but then I get so motivated by the response that I get, especially about this area. So I'm like, this is something about parenting which I'm not going to leave. I might cut down on other things, but this is
Is
something I'm
something
going
you
to
want to
continue
pursue.
because every day when I think of it and when I do something, I get motivated. Like I feel like there's this law of attraction working for me, which has also got me into this podcast. So I think it is all about managing your priorities and finding out what works best for you. It is based on your interest. Like if you're not interested, you cannot continue something which you're not interested in. And it's also about gratitude, being grateful in life. Like if you are, if I say, अरे मुझे बच्चे का ये करना पड़ेगा or I have to do this. Instead of that, if you change your language to I get to do this,
Got it.
you
Got
you
it.
actually
Mhm.
are changing your mindset.
Rather than cribbing,
Cribbing,
enjoying
if
and
you
doing
start
it.
enjoying those things, like instead of saying, oh, I have to wake up at night, if I have, when my child was like 6 months, 7 months, instead of saying that, oh, I have to wake up every time to feed him, I would say, I get to wake up and nurture my
Yes.
child. So that makes
That
it
changes the
positive.
complete
It
perspective.
changes my energy. And then it changes everything for me, and everything becomes beautiful. Then it's like effortless. So, yeah.
Another question that is coming up to my mind is in our Indian society. So once you get married, it's all about the in-laws, the husband, and all those responsibilities. And you're normally discouraged कि क्या करना है, घर संभालो. And particularly when you become a mother,
Yeah.
the discouragement becomes more and more because बच्चे को संभालो, बच्चा neglect नहीं होना चाहिए. Because this is a normal perception that if you are working, the child is going to get neglected. And बच्चे के upbringing का सारा sole responsibility mother के ऊपर एक तरह से डाल दिया जाता है.
Hmm, hmm.
I'm sure you must have also gone through your own challenges in this field. This is a very personal question, but I think this question is going to give an answer to so many other people who are watching this podcast and are listening to Pooja and me. As a wife or as a daughter-in-law, did you face any challenges that you can talk about? And if you faced, how did you overcome that and maintain the sanity and peace of the household?
Yeah, so that's a very good question. And there's lots to share in this space. Talking about challenges, of course, when it was during COVID that my child was born and I was staying with my in laws. I was with them for a year, like from my pregnancy until my child was 4 months.
Okay.
Otherwise, we used to stay separately and work in where we were in Hyderabad and we used to work there.
Mm-hmm.
So after my child was 4 months, we moved away. So challenges naturally become lesser when you're staying alone in
Mm-hmm.
terms of the interference.
Mm-hmm.
While I was staying with my child, there were a lot of opinions that is formed by for a new mother. ऐसा करो वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए. You
हमारे
know
टाइम में
nothing.
ऐसा
हमारे
होता
टाइम
था,
पे तो ऐसे होता था. आजकल के बहुत चोचले
बच्चे
हैं. ऐसे
सुनते नहीं
करते
हैं।
हो.
हाँ,
हाँ. So
got it.
those things were there, but I didn't take it in a negative sense. I didn't feel like, oh, they're trying to interfere. I was like, okay, they want the best for me and my child. That's what they're saying. आपको जितना लग रहा है सही आप करो, नहीं लग रहा, you can just let it be. There's no,
Politely
you
decline.
cannot, or you can politely decline. You can say, "Hi, I'm sure you have had your, best. You want the best of things for me, but I don't think this will work for me." अब उनको politely बोलो, but even then the way they come, where they're coming from, right? Their experience of 50 years, it's not easy to change their mindset. It's not easy
Mhm.
because that is ingrained in their subconscious.
Mhm.
They may feel that, oh, आप सुन नहीं रहे हो हमारी बातें or things like that. So there were challenges. Support was also there, but with that support, challenges also come. But you have to find your own team, like your own set of friends who you can share. We call
Went
it
out. Went
went
out, I
out.
would have
Yeah,
said.
your postpartum period is very, very important. And if you get the support, at least from your husband, at that point in time, it really helps. So I think I did have the support from my husband. My in-laws were also very supportive in a way. They were very I was lucky that I was taken care of very well. It was because with a child, a new mother is also born, and I was treated like somebody who has to be taken care of, not just the child. So I'm grateful for that. But I know a lot of women who are facing a lot of
Mhm.
issues and
Majority of the females don't get the support.
don't get the
They don't
support.
get the support. Let's be very
99%,
honest and blatant about it.
yeah,
Majority of
99,
the females don't get the support.
yeah. So I think for them, they need to first be confident about their own choices. They need to be self-aware of what works best. They also have to trust their intuition.
Mhm.
Like, this is what I feel is the best for my child. Go ahead and do it. You don't have to overthink or feel bad about somebody saying something. Log bolenge because that's how it is. That's how
कुछ
the
तो
society
लोग
works. So
कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
let them say. You hear what you feel is good for you. If it doesn't work for you, you don't take it ahead. And you don't have to get bogged down by that. Like you said, happiness is within you, right? You
Mhm.
decide to be happy, choose to be happy. And you have to fill your own emotional cup. Like, as a mother, you need to feel fulfilled so you can do the best for your child. And if you get bogged down by what others are saying, अगर आपको लोग कुछ बोलेंगे, अपना mood off
Affect
करोगे,
आप
it'll
हो
affect your
जाओगे.
child
Yeah.
also, it'll affect you also. So those things are there. Um, but there has to be an understanding, a balance that you have to create. You have to be positive in your mindset for your own health. Yeah.
So now two females are talking about something which is common, which is parenting. But at the same time, I want to know, Pooja, from you. I also come from a set of experiences in my life, and you are also having your own experiences. How important it is for a woman to find herself? Because in between various roles, as a daughter, as a wife, as a mother, as a daughter-in-law,
Mm-hmm.
कहीं ना कहीं पर एक फीमेल ना गुम हो जाती है. So how important it is to find your own self? Talk. I say I'm not talking about professionally or your potential or any quality that you have. You know, you finding your own self that this is me. I'm not somebody's daughter. I'm not somebody's wife. I'm not somebody's mother. I'm not somebody's
Mm.
daughter-in-law or somebody's sister. I am me. So finding your own self, how important it is.
Extremely important. I don't think you can, as a mother, be the best version of yourself if you don't find yourself first. And the first thing to do is not feel guilty about prioritizing your self care. Everyone talks about that mom guilt. Oh, I am traveling for work. So I'm leaving my child behind. Oh, am I doing something wrong? That guilt comes in.
I think
And
we mothers are conditioned to feel guilty about
yes,
leaving the child behind.
yes, because the society around tells you, hey, how can you leave such a small child
कैसे कर
and go?
सकती है?
कैसे कर सकते हो आप? So I recently traveled for work and I left my child at home with my mother-in-law and they were taking care of him. And I did not feel guilty at all. You have to set those boundaries and say, I am doing something so I can show my child that you have to prioritize your self care and you
in the
have to do
future.
things that takes you towards your passion. So my child is watching me.
I have to be a good role model for my child.
Yes. And if I show that no, because of you, I have to cut down on I have to sacrifice and I should not do this. And
Then
I
your
have to
child is also going to become a
learning.
sacrificial
Yes.
goat.
Yes. He will
कल
also
को उसकी
feel
भी
he or
गर्दन
she.
कटेगी sacrifice के नाम पे.
Absolutely. So you have to stop feeling guilty. Moms have to stop feeling guilty about, doing what
I
they want for.
completely resonate with पूजा. अगर मेरे पेज पे आप जाएंगे मैंने मॉम गिल्ट के ऊपर एक रील बनाई है because I was the biggest person I know who used to go into the maximum of mom guilts. मुझे लगता था as a mother my only job in the world is to be around my children. उनको मैं चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए बट मेरे को लगता था इफ आई एम नॉट देयर दैट यूज्ड टू गिव मी अ मॉम गिल्ट जो बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने अपने अंदर से निकाला था मैंने स्टार्टेड प्रायोरिटाइजिंग माई सेल्फ मुझे पता वो छोटे छोटे बेबी स्टेप्स लेकर मैंने अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज किया था नाउ आई एम टोटली गिल्ट फ्री वेयर सिद्धांत एंड समृद्धि जस्ट लाफ एट मी कि मम्मा से मिलना हो तो मम्मा से अपॉइंटमेंट लेनी पड़ती है सो एंड आई टेक इट एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट दैट आई एम सो बिजी एंड ऑक्यूपाइड विद माई वर्क दैट माई किड्स डोंट नीड मी एनी मोर बट मॉम गिल्ट इज समथिंग विच वी डेवलप आर ओन सेल्स हम लोग खुद उसको डेवलप करते हैं वो कोई हमारे अंदर डालता नहीं है। सो ऑल द न्यू मदर्स, ऑल द यंग मदर्स एंड ऑल द मदर्स ऑफ माय एज आल्सो मॉम गिल्ट को साइड पे रख देते हैं।
Yeah, because see, I'm sure your kids must be so proud of you. Mom's doing so well now.
दे
Right?
आर,
So
दे आर। आई नो दे आर।
it makes them feel good and you're filling your emotional cup. You're the better
यस,
version of
यस।
yourself, like I said. And when you go back home, you're more fulfilled. You feel more happy.
देयर इज़ सो मच टू टॉक अबाउट
Yes.
बिकॉज़ वन्स द किड्स ग्रो अप ना आपके टॉपिक्स वो रहते नहीं बिकॉज़ यू नो व्हेन द किड्स ग्रो अप दे स्टार्ट गोइंग टू वर्क और दे आर ट्रैवलिंग यू दैट एम्प्टीनेस सिंड्रोम कम्स इन। आई डिड नॉट लेट दैट हैपन द मोमेंट माय डॉटर गॉट मैरिड उसके 6 महीने के बाद कोविड हुआ एंड कोविड स्टार्टेड माय प्रोफेशनल लाइफ। एवरीवन नोज़ अबाउट माय स्टोरी ऑन माय ऑल द फॉलोअर्स नो दैट। And one thing led to another, to another, to another, where I told you that I have this A Happy World Within is my baby. Then इसका podcast हो रहा है, public speaking events है, coaching है. I'm an interior designer also. I've got
Wow.
my furniture manufacturing unit as well.
Right.
So all these things I started 4.5 years back.
Mm-hmm.
And all these companies, all these businesses are doing pretty well and I'm very happy and occupied. एंड मुझे लगता है कि इससे ज़्यादा मेरे बच्चे मेरे लिए खुश हो नहीं सकते बिकॉज़ मैं उनका सिर नहीं खा रही हूँ दैट यू पीपल
Ah,
नॉट गिविंग मी टाइम।
you found yourself.
आई फाउंड
Think
मायसेल्फ
you
आई
found
फाउंड
yourself.
मायसेल्फ
That's
एट
what.
दिस एज राइट? उससे पहले आई वाज़ अगेन प्लेइंग दोज़ रोल्स एंड ऑल दैट। सो आई एम वेरी इंस्पायर्ड बाय यंग मदर्स हू आर लाइक यू पीपल आर ना assertive in your life. I was not
We've
an
learned
assertive
to.
person.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I became assertive very late in life. This is something which I want, and I'm not guilty about it. I remember 2 years back, someone said, "नहीं mothers को तो sacrifice करना पड़ता है." So I had a very positive debate with that
Ah,
person. This mother, I spoke about myself. This mother refuses to sacrifice in the name of children now. My children are grown up, and I refuse to sacrifice. I've taken a stand for myself. So it was a very, very nice, very healthy argument
conversation.
and conversation about it. But when I see young mothers like you doing so much for yourself, and then being in that happy space with your child and the family and all that stuff, this is commendable. I truly appreciate that because हम लोगों की ज़बान नहीं होती थी यार, हम लोग अपने ही नीड्स को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते
Even
थे।
today, mothers of my age, you would see 90% are still, they want to do something, but because of the society pressure, they feel guilty because even if they're not feeling guilty, somebody will make you feel
Feel
guilty.
guilty.
Right? So you have to set those boundaries, like I said, that आप मुझे guilty नहीं feel करा सकते. And it doesn't, if you're not guilty, it doesn't mean that you're not doing the best for your child. I'm ensuring my child is safe, my child is getting what my child needs, and whatever time I'm spending with my child, that's quality time.
Mhm.
There's no point of me staying with my child 24/7 and me crying and spending time with him,
Spending time
saying,
with
"Oh, I'm not doing this. मैंने काम भी छोड़
अपना
दिया
मन
तुम्हारे
मार के
लिए,
जी रहे हैं आप।
हाँ, तुम्हारे लिए मैंने ऐसे किया." You'll end up blaming a child your whole life. कि मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी बिकॉज़ मुझे तुम्हारा ख्याल रखना था. अब तुम जा रहे हो खेलने, अब मैं क्या करूँ घर पे? So
Mhm.
those things come up later on in life,
I
right?
have been there in that space where I used to keep on waiting. अभी सिद्धांत ट्यूशन से आएगा, अभी समृद्धि ने ट्यूशन से आना है, अब उनका प्लेइंग टाइम है, अब उनके लिए ये बना के देना है। I've been into that space just like it was not कि वो मुझे कुछ बोलते थे,
Correct.
but मेरा खुद का ऐसा था that I should be there when my children come home from school or they come back from college. Even when my children had gone to college, so तब भी मेरे वो वेटिंग पीरियड में मैं होती थी कि अभी वो आएँगे तो अब ये करना है, अब ये करना है, ये करना है। तो कहीं न कहीं पर मैं अपने आप को भूल गई थी। और पिछले 4.5 साल में जैसे मैंने अपने आप को डिस्कवर किया, I'm very proud of myself that अच्छा, I can be an interior designer also. I'm not a qualified interior designer. I turned my passion into my profession, and I've done very good work. I'm very happy with the work that this entire studio has been designed by me only. So there is so much of hidden potential in females which
A lot.
goes
Untapped
completely
because
untapped. Even they don't know. Even they
even
don't know कि हमारे अंदर ये potential है.
and when they see women of their age doing something, they are like, अरे हम भी कर
हम
सकते
भी
थे,
कर
हमें मौका
सकते
नहीं
थे,
मिला.
मौका नहीं मिला.
We,
I think
I
मौके
wish
snatch करने पड़ते
करने
हैं.
पड़ते हैं. Women have to snatch opportunities because the way it works
एंड
is
स्टॉप बीइंग गिल्टी अबाउट डूइंग समथिंग फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. ये
yes,
बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. मैंने ये देखा है, इवन हमारे मदर्स के टाइम में भी ये होता था कि मदर्स को एक रोल प्लेइंग में डाल दिया जाता था. हम लोग भी, एंड जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि आपकी एज ग्रुप के भी 90% ऑफ द फीमेल्स आर स्टिल स्टक इनटू दैट लूप.
yes,
ये गिल्ट का जो प्रेशर है ना सोसाइटी डालती है और आप अपने अंदर क्रिएट कर लेते हो. आई थिंक वी शुड क्रिएट एन अवेयरनेस अबाउट इट कि भैया अपने लिए करने में कोई पाप नहीं है.
कोई पाप नहीं
कोई
है.
पाप नहीं. इवन इफ यू गो ऑन अ गर्ल ट्रिप और अ सोलो ट्रिप और समथिंग एज अ मदर ऑल्सो,
Yeah,
छोटे बच्चे को छोड़ के 2-4 दिन के लिए, आई थिंक इट्स ओके. शुड गेट
absolutely okay.
वी शुड गेट यूज्ड टू दिस कांसेप्ट ऑफ फीमेल्स फाइंडिंग देयर ओन सेल्व्स.
Yes, we see a lot of videos nowadays. If you see, people are
अवेयरनेस इज
talking
बीइंग
about that.
क्रिएटेड.
Awareness
या.
is being created. There is a side of society which says that इनको देखो ऐसे घूम रहे हैं. Still, that's there. But I think we'll get there eventually. At least our future generations, I'm hoping, will.
Pooja, I went on a solo trip this year for the first time in my life for 10
Wow.
days. And that gave me wings like anything. Like, I went to Goa and
Yeah.
my son was laughing at me कि गोवा जाके रात को 10:30-11 बजे कौन सो जाता है? मैं कहा मैं. Because I'm not a party person. I don't
Okay.
do partying and I don't drink alcohol and all. But for me, like going there, creating content, being with myself, meditating at my
That
own
gave
time,
you a
वो
lot of
10 दिन जो अपने
happiness.
आप के साथ सोलो ट्रिप में, अब उसके बाद वो कॉन्फिडेंस ही डिफरेंट हो गया कि एक ट्रैवल करने का छोड़ के अलग बैठ के एक रेस्टोरेंट में बैठ के कुछ खाना एंजॉय करने का या कुछ एक मॉकटेल है वो एंजॉय करने का, एंड यू आर नॉट बॉदर अबाउट द वर्ल्ड लुकिंग एट यू.
Yes.
सो वो इस साल मेरा स्टार्ट हुआ जन आई थिंक मार्च मंथ में वेंट फॉर अ 10 डेज ट्रिप टू गोवा. सो
There's no end to it now.
नो एंड टू इट
So
नाउ.
I'm
आई
so
आई
happy that
गॉट
you
यूज्ड टू
started
ट्रैवलिंग
finally.
अलोन नाउ.
Yeah. Yeah.
इट्स बिकम
See, we're
एडिक्शन.
not saying that not all mothers want to travel solo. That's okay. You find your
Yeah, yeah,
space. If
find
you
a way
want
to
to do
grow.
something,
Yeah.
do that. But do what makes you happy. Right? We're talking about happiness. It is do what makes you happy.
That brings me a quote to my mind, like अभी create किया. A
Uh,
happy mother will have happy children.
the best gift you can give to
Wow.
your
A happy mother will have happy children. So mothers, become happy if you want happy children. Because you are a role model for them. And if they see their mother pursuing their goals, her goals, if they see the mother pursuing her happiness and doing things what she loves, this is what you're going to teach your child कि अपनी खुशी अपने लिए कुछ करना कितना important होता है. Right, Pooja?
absolutely right. No, there's actually a quote saying that the best gift you can give your child
Is a
is a
happy
happy
mother.
mom.
Is a happy
Yeah.
mother.
That is very, very true. It might seem like, okay, yeah, all good, but it is actually very true. I am happy today. So I'm sure when I go back to my son today, I'm going to be very happy. I'll go hug him and I will be like,
And
hey,
you'll
I've done a
transfer that happy
podcast.
energy to that
Yes,
child. Yeah, yeah.
yes. But yeah, not everyone has the support also to take care of child at home when you're traveling. So that having that village is also important. Now, how do you create that is also another question. But if you really want to
Hey,
create, you can
let's
create.
do it. How
Yeah.
to create that village of support.
Yeah. So like, I didn't have that village when my child was like I told you, I was when my child was born, we were with our in-laws during COVID, and then we moved back to Hyderabad when he was around 5, 6 months for our job. So I didn't have any support at home, but I did not want to leave my job. I was very clear. I'm
Mhm.
not leaving my job. I will find a way. And no, the moment you tell your mind, you'll figure it out. You will figure it out. You'll find a way. So I did keep a 24/7 nanny. Now again, there are a lot of people saying, अरे बच्चे को नानी के पास छोड़
मेड
दिया,
मेड पाल रही है
maid
बच्चों को.
पाल
हाँ.
रही है and अपना काम करने जा रही है. So I did not do that. I took flexibility from work. I worked from home. So I used to watch the nanny. There were only few hours I would leave the child. I hired a nanny to do the other work and I would spend time with the child wherever I could, how much ever I could. Now, I did not have that support back then, but then now we realize that as the child is growing up, my child needs more people to interact with for his also development, emotional well-being, and all of that. So we moved back to Delhi, which is closer to his grandparents now. So he gets that interaction. So for people who have to, okay, I'll tell you a very interesting story. So you know, first thing, a mother has to be ready to actually, if I have to go and do my job, I should be convinced that I want to do my job, and my child is not going to be affected or feel bad about it, or I'm
You
not going
yourself
to
have to
have to
be
have
out
that.
of that mom guilt.
Yes. So when I put my child in daycare, he was only around 1 year, 2 months old. Right. So I put him because I had to go for a job, but I was not convinced at that point in time. I had huge guilt. So I left him in daycare for the first day. He cried a lot. Everyone told me it's okay, it's very normal. People put even in 9 months, it's
मुझे
okay.
सोच के कुछ हो रहा
हाँ,
है
so I'm
कितना
like,
बड़ा
no, nahi. Second day dala, third day, and I told my husband, I'm taking him out. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा. I think I'm not mentally ready. Child might adjust after a few days. बच्चे रोते हैं, चुप हो जाएंगे, is what I was told, but I was not ready. So I said I'll figure out other ways. I kept a nanny and I did all of that. When he was 2.5 years old, I put him in daycare again, but this time I had the confidence. I was like, he will adjust. I passed on that confidence to my child during the first day, and he adjusted within 2 days. He did not cry, not a single teardrop, because I passed on my confidence to him while putting him there. The last time I had actually put my fears on him, saying कि
See
बच्चे
the
रह लोगे ना, रोना
difference.
नहीं, ये नहीं करना, ये kind of conversation I had with him was different versus the second time when I put him. So coming back to finding your village, it is it doesn't there's no one size, right? All of us have to find ways to find a village. Like you may have your parents' support, you may have somebody who you can rely on. But if you really want to do something, you'll figure out a way, is all I'm saying. Right?
You'll find your people.
You'll find
You'll
your
find your
people.
people. Once the
Yes,
intention is set in, I
yes.
think वो फिर पूरी कायनात मिल जाती है आपके लिए रास्ते बनाने के
रास्ते
लिए.
बनाने के लिए. बट यू फील कि अरे मेरे बच्चे को तो मैं ही देख पाऊंगी, कुछ नहीं होगा, आई कांट डू इट. You have to also trust other people to take care of your child. You have to create that ecosystem. So, like I said, it's not like everyone's lucky to do that, but it's all about mindset, how you train your mind. And
I'm very impressed by the confidence that which you are speaking when you how you created your village and that ecosystem that you're talking about and the mother guilt that you had for the first time, but you passed on the confidence to the child the second time and the
yes,
obvious difference that you saw. I'm very impressed the way the clarity that you have in bringing up your child, and I think that's going to give a lot more confidence to all the young mothers out over there who are still thinking, यार कैसे करेंगे? ये देखो, she's already doing it. Learn from it. कुछ नहीं करो तो copy paste कर लो बस हो जाएगा. है ना?
सब हो जाता है.
सब
You
हो
just
जाता है. So when we are talking about passing on the energy to the child,
yes,
I'll share my own experience that I had a very this again intellectual conversation with a teacher of my child when my son was in 10th class, and she told me that Nivedita, the umbilical cord is cut, the physical umbilical cord is cut when the child is born,
hmm.
but the invisible umbilical cord of the mother always stays with the child. So
Lifetime.
whatever you think, you're passing on that energy to the child.
Yes,
Now, when you were talking about this passing of the confidence to the child, the 2.5-year-old child, I can completely relate because this is what I've been doing throughout my life after I got to know about this theory. That I am a mother who gives on confidence. हो जाएगा, कर लोगे,
yes.
सब कुछ. Even if I'm not talking to them, but that
Yeah,
invisible
half
energy is
problem is
always going,
solved. Half
and
the
that
problem.
gives them that strength because this is a theory. Because आप मदर को और बच्चे को कभी अलग कर ही नहीं सकते हो. एनर्जेटिकली तो हम लोग हमेशा कनेक्टेड रहते ही हैं. So,
It is
for
how you know, like you're saying, if I've gone through some bad phase in life, if I just call my mother and say, "मम्मी ये हो गया," and mama will say कि कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कुछ नहीं होता. It's okay.
it's okay.
फिर से कर लेंगे कुछ भी. So half of your problem is already solved because
Relax.
your mother has passed on a good energy to you, or your parent, or
Yeah,
your
yeah,
father
बिल्कुल,
also.
बिल्कुल,
But
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
that really influences and impacts you a lot. You know, your mother is like the first influence in child's life,
So
even the father.
normally हम मदर्स को ना वरी करना सिखाया जाता है कि एक मदर
Yes,
फिक्र नहीं कर रही है तो शी इज नॉट अ गुड
she's
मदर.
not a good
She's not
mother.
a good mother. So
Yeah,
to all
how
the
can she
mothers
be
over there,
bindas?
don't pass on the worry energy to your child. Pass on the happiness energy. Pass on the positivity energy. Pass on the confidence energy to the child because whatever you feel, automatically your child is going to feel energetically. Right, Pooja?
Yeah, absolutely.
So coming down to your niche, your subject, like parenting toddlers,
Yes.
2 to 4 years old is where you specialize in, right? So I would want to know what are the tips that you use to, inculcate all those values. When we were younger, हम लोग तो बहुत पिटे हुए हैं अपनी मम्मियों से. कुछ किया नहीं तो चमाट आ जाता था. पर मैं तो बहुत पिटी हुई हूँ अपनी मम्मा से. And abhi parenting is completely a different thing altogether. So 2 to 4 years olds, I feel they're the biggest manipulators also because they know मम्मा से ये चीज़ पूरी हो जाएगी, पापा से हम ये ज़िद करके ले सकते हैं। This is where the grandparents are going to step in and support us. So how do you handle your child? Because it's going to give an insight to so many young mothers over there, how to handle a toddler and especially the mood swings, the temper tantrums and all those things.
Toddler tantrums. That's the
Toddler
area which I read
tantrums.
a lot about. My child used to throw a lot of tantrums. Okay?
Mhm.
That's where I started researching about tantrums because every other day he had a tantrum. I was like, there's something I'm not doing right, maybe. So I should see what's happening.
Mhm.
So I have not hit my child ever.
Mhm.
Firstly, talking about hitting because I'm very well aware that there are other ways to
Discipline a child.
discipline your child, and disciplining doesn't mean that you have to punish your child.
Mhm.
It doesn't go hand in hand because when you're punishing your child, you are
That fear
not
is created. I know.
yeah,
I was
you're not
scared of my
guiding
mother.
them.
Yeah, yeah. I was scared of my mother. Yeah,
You're
yeah.
not guiding them. You're actually blocking their
Yeah,
receptive
yeah, yeah,
brain for
yeah.
learning.
Yes, yes, yes.
Kids can't learn when they're scared.
Mhm.
So when you're disciplining a child, you want them to learn something so they don't do it later on. But if there's a fear, they're not doing it because you're around. The moment you're not there,
They're
they will
going to do
still
it.
do it
They will.
because they've not learned.
Learned it.
Yeah. So that's about hitting. There are different ways of handling a child and disciplining, which I can talk about later. But if we have to talk about tantrums, first of all, you have to understand tantrums is it's a natural way for toddlers. It's a their brain is developing. So toddler tantrums are natural to happen. But how we as parents react to them is very, very important.
Mm.
How we handle the first time they're throwing a tantrum is what will decide how they do it in future.
Mm.
The different types of tantrums and why a child throws tantrum. I think a parent needs to be aware about tantrums. What is tantrum first of all? It's just an emotional release. Like it is because toddlers work with emotions. They don't have logical brain developed
Mhm.
until about 6 to 7 years of age. So they can't think logically. So for them, everything is like blue cup nahi mila, orange cup kyun mila, I will throw a tantrum. They will start yelling and screaming or lying down on the floor. Okay. So because they want to feel powerful, they want to have their own choices. So tantrum happens for various reasons. And if we understand why it's happening, we can address the need.
What are the few reasons of
Yeah.
tantrum?
So there are a couple of reasons. Let's talk about first thing, which is hunger
Mhm.
or they're tired. They're hungry or tired. So they throw a tantrum. आप बच्चे को रात को 10 बजे घुमाने लेके जा रहे हो, they're already tired. It's their sleeping time. They will throw tantrum at anything and
That is
everything.
their way of objecting,
That is not their way of objecting, but they're tired. The brain is already
exhausted.
exhausted. They're overwhelmed. They're stimulated and they're frustrated. They don't know how to express, so they'll cry at every small thing. So when you know it's their sleeping time or they're hungry, first you address the need, tantrums will automatically go down. The other reason why they throw tantrums is because they're overstimulated. आपने बहुत सारी activities करा दी, ये भी करो, वो भी करो. There's too much lighting, too much noise, which they're not used to. So उनके लिए overwhelming होता है, they throw tantrums. The other reason is attention seeking.
Mhm.
अगर मैं tantrum throw करूँगा तो my mom will listen to me, will see me. मैं if the child is wanting to spend time with mom, okay, and mom is not listening,
Yes.
but when the child starts crying, मम्मा दौड़ के आती है. ठीक है, मैं
तो
रोने से
समझ में
आएगी.
आ गया कि ये
हाँ,
तो करूँगा हर बार मम्मा आ जाएगी।
So attention seeking is another behavior for tantrum.
Mm.
Right? So if you spend quality time with your child and if you give them the attention they need at the right time, they will not throw that tantrum. Or let's take it this way, कि वो रोता है और आप नहीं आते उसके पास तो उसको पता है रोने से तो नहीं आएगी मम्मा. Maybe I have to do something else. So that's the way to cut that tantrum. Then there are other reasons like they're in daycare for a long day, you know.
They
मैंने
feel
अपने बच्चे को
emotionally
they
unsafe.
feel yeah they feel emotionally unsafe and then they come back home they feel ये मेरा safe space है अब मैं
यहाँ पे
अपने आप
कुछ
को
भी
release
कर
कर
सकते
सकता
हैं।
हूँ. Emotional release happens when they come back home. People say right वो स्कूल में तो इतना डिसिप्लिन है घर आके मम्मा को देखते ही रोना शुरू कर देता है. आपने बिगाड़ रखा है. मम्मा को बहुत सारी मॉम्स को बोलते हैं
Mhm.
कि आपने अपने बच्चे को बिगाड़ रखा है. तेरे सामने ऐसा करता है किसी और के सामने तो बिल्कुल अच्छे से रहता है.
Mhm.
That's because they find their safe space with
Mhm.
moms or with dads and that's how they behave. So there are various reasons for tantrums. Biggest thing we have to understand is that their brain is not developed. They're not doing it on purpose. They need
It's
our
a
help to.
natural release
It's a
for them.
natural release for them. They need
We
our help.
need we as parents or as mothers, we should give them that space to express themselves.
Space to express. Plus, we should also help them calm down. Emotional regulation is something we have to teach. We are the adults. They are not. T for toddlers, T for
Yeah, yeah.
tantrums is what we say, and we are the ones who have mature brains. If we also start throwing tantrums when they
तो
throw a
उनमें और हमारे
tantrum,
में क्या
तो हम
फ़र्क
दोनों
है?
में हाँ
डिफरेंस
we are actually we're adding to the chaos, not giving them the calm. And this a lot I can talk about how you can pass on the calm and why you need to be calm and practical ways of staying calm also because I see a lot of bloggers saying कि you should be calm mothers,
तो
right?
जब ये
But वो
स्टार्ट होएगा तो प्लीज़ इसके ऊपर आप और एनलाइटनमेंट आप डालो इसको just tell us what are the ways of a mother to be calm and passing on that calmness to the child because बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वे में जा रहा है कॉन्वर्सेशन सो लेट्स नॉट स्टॉप इट लेट्स let
yeah,
it flow
sure.
naturally.
Yeah. So calmness is mom's superpower, I would say. Every mom, if you want a superpower, stay calm. That's your biggest superpower you can have as a mother. I'll tell you how that helps is how you can be calm, first of all. And before that, I want to talk about why I named my page as practical parenting. A lot of people say mindful parenting, gentle parenting. बहुत नाम है आजकल parenting के. Parenting is parenting. Let's not say any specific name, but I have said practical parenting because I share practical tips
Mhm.
which you can actually implement. It's not just yeah, it's like something you can actually implement and see it's making sense and it's working for you. And not the same thing works for everyone. You have to tweak your ways to see what works for your child. So how do I stay calm as a mother
Mother.
is what I'll talk about. And my child, like I said, throws a lot of tantrums, but I never lose my calm. And people are surprised कि गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा, मारने का मन नहीं कर रहा, एक थप्पड़ मारो ठीक हो
ठीक हो
जाएगा.
जाएगा
And I'm
नॉर्मल
like,
परसेप्शन तो यही होता है
yeah. So, but I am calm is because I feel अरे मेरे बच्चे को ना मेरी help चाहिए. My child wants my help. He's not doing it to irritate me. He's not doing it to anger me. He needs help. He's crying for help. तो समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करूं तो वो चिल्ला रहा है. आप उसको आपका काम है सिखाओ उसको कि क्या करना
and
चाहिए.
understanding the need of the child at that
Yes.
moment.
Yes. So if you know that your child is not doing it on purpose, if you understand that their brain is not fully developed and you are the adult, you naturally start feeling calmer. No, I should be the
Mhm.
person who should pass on my calm. You have to also do role modeling. Now, if you are calm, the child thinks ki, "Okay, this is how you should be. This is your state of mind, how you should be. Like if you're also angry all the time, shouting, yelling, बच्चे को लगता है ये तो natural है. I should also start
ये
yelling.
सीखेगा
हाँ, यही सीखेगा. So if you are calm, you are actually showing a child how they can also be calm. So it automatically passes on. So whenever a child is throwing tantrum, first we should address the need. If that is not working out, you just get down to their level. That's the best way to communicate with young kids, right? Get down to their level, just hug them, say I understand you, validate their feelings. Like it might sound like very Western. I understand you. बोल रहे कौन बोलता अपने बच्चे को I understand you. I know you're feeling sad. अब let's twist it, saying that बच्चा आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है ना पता है, but गुस्सा आना ठीक है, पर आप किसी को हिट नहीं कर सकते, आप मार नहीं सकते. आपके हाथ मारने के लिए नहीं है. आप इससे खाना खाते हो, आप इससे टॉयज से खेलते हो, पर आप इससे मार नहीं सकते. आप उनके हाथ पकड़ लो.
Mhm.
बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप भी उनको मारोगे कि
Mhm.
आपने मारा इसको मैं भी आपको मारूंगी. कैसे मार सकते हो?
Mhm.
So that will teach the child that I cannot hit, but my mom can hit me. How is it fair?
Not at all.
And they're
Not
like
at all
very,
fair.
very smart. Toddlers are very, very smart. Like I said, they're very
Yeah.
intellectual. They understand everything and they're copying everything. But instead, if you just go down, hug them, address their need, let them be. Tantrums passes away. 10 minutes में नहीं हुआ, 15 minutes में होगा. You have to spend time. You have to be patient, of course. You just do that for once, twice, three times. Fourth time, they'll naturally be very happy kids and they will not throw tantrums as much. Their brains will start developing in a way that
That
जब भी
understanding comes in
yes,
them, na?
yes, वो काम होना शुरू हो जाएंगे. Next time you'll see tantrums कम होगा. And I missed saying the most important point why a child has tantrums these days is screen time.
Hmm.
Screen time is increasing so much that kids' brains are
Overstimulated.
overstimulated. They want things at a spur of a moment. वो नहीं मिलता उनको, so they start throwing tantrums.
I have seen mothers पूजा मुझे ध्यान में आ रहा है यंग 2-2 साल के बच्चे हैं and they are playing with the iPad, watching a movie on the iPad and the mothers are feeding them. ये तो
Yes.
बिना इस शो के तो खाना ही नहीं खाती है या खाना ही नहीं खाता है. ये
हाँ.
तो इस शो के बिना ये राइम सुने बिना सोता ही नहीं है. Then आई गो बैक टू आवर टाइम्स जब ये स्क्रीन टाइम होता नहीं था तो भी बच्चे खाना खाते थे. पेशेंस के
Yes.
साथ खिलाना पड़ता था. चिड़िया को बुला-बुला के वो चिड़िया खा
Yes.
जाएगी.
हाँ.
ऑल दोज़ स्टोरीज़ अरे चिड़िया आजा, आजा खा ले. नहीं, नहीं ये सिद्धांत खाएगा या समृद्धि खाएगी तो मुँह में जाता था खाना. आई रिमेंबर वी
Yes.
like really working hard as mothers to
Hmm.
make the child eat.
Very interesting. So
Screen time is actually coming a menace in parenting.
yeah, so I will talk about screen time also and also about eating habits,
Mhm.
of toddlers with my own experience.
जी.
So talking about screen time, my toddler also used to watch a lot of screen. and it's my fault because I gave the screen to him,
हम्म,
right? Because I wanted to work, मेरे पास time नहीं है, कोई
वो दे
देखने के
दो
लिए नहीं है, तो
हाँ
मैं
हाँ
क्या करूँ?
हाँ उसको एंगेज
And
कर दो
that's the
उसमें
problem for every mother. कि यार तुम्हें नहीं पता हम कैसे अब बोलते हो स्क्रीन मत दो, but how do we work?
हम्म
वो स्क्रीन में ही रहता है, right? That's the biggest problem people face. Today, my child has zero screen time. Okay,
हाउ डिड
and
यू
that's the
अचीव दैट
journey I want to share. So initially, I didn't give him screen for like about 1 year, 1.5 year. But then when he grew up, and I thought एक बार दे देते हैं क्या होगा? एक बार से ना once is always that started.
दैट
कि
स्टार्टेड
आज भी दिया है मम्मा ने तो कल तो देना ही पड़ेगा और फिर तीसरे दिन नहीं दिया तो he'll start crying. So he got into a habit of watching screen, and I would not give mobile phone but TV. But he started watching so much of TV that I started seeing increase in tantrums. I started seeing that his attention span was low. उसको तुरंत कुछ चाहिए, otherwise रोना. And he started yelling, screaming, also hitting. Behaviors were changing, and it was very, very evident. I was like, Pooja, you've done something wrong. It's time to break this cycle. You have to reduce screen time. So the first thing I did was मैंने नेट घर का ऑफ कर दिया because as parents, right, you sometimes break down. You are like, ठीक है दे देते हैं यार, इतना रो रहा है दे दो.
तो
We don't
पेशेंस
want so
नहीं
much
होती
noise.
ना हाँ
Patience
हाँ
नहीं हो
पेशेंस
पाता. We
नहीं
are all humans, right? I'm
राइट
talking about practical parenting. We're all humans. नहीं हो पाता. Patience level खत्म हो जाता है. First, you have to understand as a parent that मुझे screen time zero करना ही है. So that's a challenge you have to take for yourself. I took up a 21-day challenge for myself. That
वाओ
am I somebody who can actually control screen time for my child or not? चाहे मुझे नींद कम करनी पड़े, I have to spend longer hours, I have to do something, but I will do. So what I did was I switched off the internet at home, and naturally when he switched on the TV, I didn't say don't watch TV. I said जाओ देखो like you watch. I switched on YouTube for him. It started coming in circles. बंद हो गया YouTube. What was not no video was playing. So he was like, Mama, TV nahi chal raha, and this, that. What in his own language? He was getting upset, irritated, crying. I'm like, I don't know what to do because it's not working. No, come, we'll do something else. Okay, so I tried to distract him. I did something else. He was crying. He was crying. Second day again, he tried. He could not watch. I did not say no. What I'm doing here is I'm directly not saying you can't watch TV because then it doesn't really work for their
दिस
brain.
कॉल्ड
Yeah,
स्मार्ट
yeah.
पेरेंटिंग दिस इज कॉल्ड स्मार्ट पेरेंटिंग बिकॉज एज अ मदर आई कैन रिलेट इस तरह के ड्रामे मैंने भी बहुत करे हुए
So then eventually what happened? He cried. He used to cry. He took my phone. कि आपके phone में चल रहा होगा. I said, देख लो नहीं चल रहा. You can see it. Somewhere we changed passwords. We did this, all of that. And the best thing is, I was okay for him to cry. हम ना डर जाते हैं बच्चा रो रहा है क्या करें इसको चुप कराना है कैसे कराएं अरे ये क्यों रो रहा है दे दो ना ये कर लो you don't have to get there you should be okay with the kid crying let him cry it's okay naturally रोएगा naturally उसे गुस्सा आएगा because उससे कुछ लिया जा रहा है जो उससे पहले आज तक मिलती थी आपसे ही मिल रही थी तो उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा चेंज है वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड so we should be okay we should not now think of stopping that tantrum we can't prevent it he will cry you have to be okay with it after a few days it will naturally become fine so then he would not watch after about 1 week he was okay when I would say tv nahi chal raha he understood nahi chal raha let's do something else so he started finding other ways to be creative he started eating without watching tv he would not eat without
व्हिच
watching
इज
tv
सच अ बिग आई स्पोक अबाउट इट सच अ बिग इशू कि
yeah,
बच्चा खाता नहीं है जिसके बिना
yeah. Because and that was because we were used to giving him tv हमें लगा कुछ नहीं होगा दे देते हैं we thought it was under our control but nothing is under our control whatever we are giving to the child showing to the child for them that is something that is acceptable and they will carry it for their life right so we need to be very careful at every step and until 7 years of age their brain is developing at a
या
very fast speed so that's the time you can actually frame
मैक्सिमम आपका ब्रेन जो होता है ना इफ एज अ कोच आई टॉक अबाउट द सबकॉन्शियस बिलीव्स आपका ये डेवलपमेंटल एज होती है यहाँ पर काफी कुछ क्रिएट हो जाता है आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड
right so screen time was like a big challenge and I'm actually proud of it that I've reduced it to zero screen time today when I
आई एम फीलिंग सो प्राउड ऑफ यू
so now today when I have to still give him screen or if he now asks for it he doesn't ask for it but when he sees the at restaurants other kids watching then he asks me and if I tell him no you're not getting it और हमारे पास तो है ही नहीं access इसका he's okay he still sees us watching he still sees that we are doing our work on laptop but I tell him this is for adults this is not your object ये मम्मा का
ये
laptop है आप
ऑफिस का
नहीं
है
you
हाँ
cannot touch it so I never let him touch it so he doesn't even think of touching it if you give him access once कि हाँ इसमें गेम खेलो आज कि आप उनको दे दोगे access and then take it away from them they will naturally cry so पेरेंट्स को होता है कि बच्चा को इतना समझना चाहिए कि नहीं छूना है मैंने बोल दिया तो नहीं छूना है आपको उनको देना ही नहीं है इफ यू डोंट वांट देम टू टच समथिंग डोंट गिव इट टू देम इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस इट्स लाइक अ नाइफ राइट आप नाइफ कुछ भी कर लो आप नाइफ नहीं दोगे अपने बच्चे के हाथ में बिकॉज यू नो इट इज डेंजरस So if you do not want them to watch screen, don't give them that screen at all from day one.
जो आप चाहते हो कि नहीं आपका बच्चा करे वो उसको वैसे उसमें एटमॉस्फेयर में दो ही मत।
दो ही मत, राइट? एंड बिकॉज़ वो दो और फिर आप अपने बच्चे को ही बोलो यार ये तो बिगड़ गया, ये मानता नहीं है बातें। Kids aren't like that. Kids are actually obeying you. We feel they're not obeying you because
वो कहते हैं ना फॉर यू टू हैव अ राइट राइटली ब्रॉट अप चाइल्ड यू हैव टू बिकम द रोल मॉडल योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट।
yes, work on yourself. Like
वर्क
the
ऑन
more you
योरसेल्फ।
work on yourself as a parent, the lesser you have to work on a child. That's what I tell people. Just work on yourself. You don't have to work on the child. You just have to work on yourself. And the more self-aware you are as parents, the better it is for your child. Like my page is not about how to manage a child. My page is about how you manage
Manage
yourself
yourself
as a parent.
and as a result the child
As a
gets
result, child
managed.
gets managed. It is not about my own experiences. Of course, even I am not perfect. There's a lot I'm learning every day, and I just want to share those learnings with other moms so they can feel empowered.
For all the young mothers, there's so much of insightful conversation happening over here, and Pooja is giving us all the, practical parenting tips that she has herself implemented in her life. And reducing screen time is a big issue with the parents nowadays, the mothers nowadays. And I have seen so many children sitting with the iPads, and here she's given us such a beautiful tip that she worked on it so intelligently, and now the child is having zero screen time, which is commendable. Another question, Pooja, that is coming to my mind right now is how did you handle the grandparents? Because the grandparents, they cannot tolerate the child crying, and they say ना
Yes.
वो हिंदी में कहते हैं कि मूल से ब्याज प्यारा।
हाँ, हाँ.
सो द
That's
ग्रैंड
true.
पेरेंट्स से कि यार कुछ भी हो जाए हमारे ग्रैंड चाइल्ड जो है वो रोना नहीं चाहिए या क्यों रो रहे हैं या व्हाट यू सेड कि अच्छा दे दो ना फिर क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, हो जाएगा
हुँ,
ठीक बाद में बड़ा होके समझ जाएगा।
हाँ.
सो आई एम श्योर कि यू मस्ट हैव आल्सो फेस्ड सच चैलेंजेस। So for all the young mothers over there and who are living with the in-laws or they have loving in-laws and loving grandparents, but ये वाला जो प्यार होता है जहाँ पर आपको लगता है कि बच्चे के फेवर में नहीं जा रही है ये चीज़। So how did you handle the grandparents?
So I started picking my own battles.
Mhm.
So initially, I would get very triggered.
Mhm.
Parenting styles are very different for like
Mhm.
a mother to a father also. What I think is the right thing to do for my child, my husband may not think so. Versus of course, and grandparents तो छोड़ दो आप और भी अलग different thinking हो सकती है, right? So it is all different and it is very difficult to get everyone on the same page. Your child is getting influenced by everyone's parenting style.
Mhm.
Now, if there are things which really matter to you, you put your foot down and say, ये नहीं कर सकते हम बच्चे के लिए, ये नहीं करना है मुझे. Right? You have to set your boundaries.
उसमें बुरा बनने का स्कोप कितना रहता है?
पूरा बनने का पूरा स्कोप रहता है, but
तो
you should be
डरना
okay
नहीं
with
है,
it.
डरना नहीं है। As a mother, you have got every right to choose the best for your child.
And being politely आप बोलो
हाँ।
कि like let's say nowadays we don't give sugar to our kids, no? बोलते हैं 1 year से नीचे sugar नहीं देना
हुँ।
चाहिए. And if you tell that to the grandparents, they were like हमने तो अपने बच्चों को
पहले वो शहद ही चटाते
शहद
हैं
ही
उसको।
चढ़ाते हैं. And doctors actually say you shouldn't do that
बिकॉज़
honey thing.
देयर आर दिस
Botulism is something which
हाँ,
happens to
यस,
kids.
यस, यस।
Great if it hasn't
टॉक्सिन्स
happened
होते
to
हैं उसमें बिकॉज़ नहीं देना चाहिए बच्चे को शहद।
right. So grandparents will say हमने तो सबको करा, सब तो अब अच्छे हैं, कुछ तो नहीं हुआ, आप लोगों के ही ज़्यादा होते हैं. So you tell them, great, नहीं हुआ, बहुत अच्छी बात है, but we are now more aware, and this is something I don't want. I really want to request you that this is something you should
हुँ,
let me
हुँ, हुँ।
do the way I want to, right? And they will take a step back. They will feel bad for the first time. After 2, 3 times, they will understand that she is not okay for certain things, and we have to respect that. And that for that you have to be confident. आपको hesitate नहीं करना है कि नहीं ऐसा है, but ठीक है. You don't have to think twice. The things that really matter to you, you have to put your foot down. But नहीं, अगर आप हर चीज़ पे बोलोगे नहीं ये तो मेरा ही बच्चा है, आप ये मत करो, वो मत करो, then they will start feeling like you're creating a
रिफ्ट
rift between
And
your
I feel in that way
grandparents and grandkids.
deprive the child of that grandparent
Grandparents
love
love,
also.
which is very important.
Which is very important for because that brings a different kind of security in the
Security,
children.
perspective, values, traditions, a lot of things are attached. And kind of love a grandparents can give you, parents can't give. It's different kind of love. I
Definitely,
can't
definitely.
explain it, but it
That
is
is not
different.
love, that is लाड। हम पंजाबी में बोलते हैं लाड। उसको
Hard.
प्यार से भी ऊपर होता है वो तो।
हाँ, and वो ज़रूरी है बच्चों के
ज़रूरी
लिए
है।
for their mental growth also and for the
इमोशनल ग्रोथ
emotional development
also.
also. It is very important. So it is about picking your battles. That's how I at least did it because for me also it was very triggering in the beginning. कि why aren't they not understanding? ये तो बच्चा मेरा है ना, मैं जो चाहूँगी वही होना चाहिए. Doesn't work that way because today they're grandparents, tomorrow they'll go out, they'll meet teachers, friends. वो भी influence होगा and they're not all on the same page. You be the biggest influence in your child's life, right? Try to
I
create a
think that
space.
इमोशनल सेफ्टी नेट क्रिएट करना बच्चे के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. With the child comes like whatever battles they are facing or the challenges, even when they grow up, face outside, they know this is one emotional net where we can fall back upon always, and we
Yes.
are being going to be looked after.
Yeah. You create that emotional space where they can come and express whatever it is.
Yeah.
Communication channels
Without
should
the fear
always
of
be
being
open.
judged.
Without the fear of being judged, or even if they're doing something wrong, they should come to you and say, firstly, Mama, मैंने ये गलत कर दिया.
Mhm.
They should know the difference between right and wrong, but they should be able to come and tell you and not hide it from you कि गलत कर लिया तो मम्मा को नहीं बता सकते.
Mhm.
Because what happens is when we hit the child saying कि गलती की, they will be scared. अब वो next time कभी आपको बताएंगे भी नहीं गलत करके. So that's where we close the communication if we are hitting them or punishing them. Whereas if you, of course, you have to tell them it is wrong, but there are ways to discipline, right? You have to be
As
gentle
a
with your
mother, मुझे
child.
याद आ रहा है कि when my children went through emotional turmoils, and I was the first person they called up, both my son and my daughter. I
Oh,
was the first
wonderful.
person at different points of time in life. I was the first person they called up. My son was in Bombay, he was 22, 23, and he faced something. And I was the first person he called up, and my daughter was in first year of college, and she went through a heartbreak. And I was the first person she called up, and that was the day I felt as a mother I've done a good job.
Yes.
कि जहाँ बच्चा बिना डरे आपसे बात करके रो रहा है कि मेरे साथ ये हो गया. एंड दे
Wonderful.
प्रैक्टिकली सेड दिस थिंग कि मम्मा यू वर द फर्स्ट पर्सन हू केम टू आवर माइंड. कि हमें पता है मम्मा के साथ शेयर करो सबसे पहले. आई जस्ट सेड द कम बैक, मम्मा इज देयर. द ओनली थिंग आई डिड वाज व्हेन दे केम बैक, आई जस्ट हग्ड both of them on different
Yes.
age
Yes.
groups. These things happened. इट्स ओके, होता है लाइफ के अंदर. एंड देन दे सेड कि मम्मा आप छोटी-छोटी बातों में जैसे टाइम पे उठ जाओ, खा लो, ये कर लो, तो आप बोलते हो बट ये मैं कहती दिस इज़ लाइफ हैपनिंग टू यू एंड आई
Yeah.
वांट लाइफ टू हैपन टू यू बिकॉज़ मैं आपको डिक्टेट नहीं कर सकती कि मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से मैंने ये सीखा तो आप ऐसे चलो. यू विल हैव योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस इन द सेम सिचुएशन. दैट्स गोइंग टू बी योर लर्निंग. So that and when this Instagram thing happened, I remember 2-3 years back, both of them sending me the same reel in different like time period. Same reel that when you can go home to mom and tell you have messed up. I felt so, confident as a mother that this is the
Yeah.
safety space I have given to my children. They come whatever may, mom is always there. And that confidence goes to a different level in the
Yeah.
child.
It boosts their self-esteem a lot. It's about, so it starts off with the toddler phase, a very small example, like if your toddler गलती से उसने बेड पे पी कर दिया और
Mhm.
they are still getting potty trained.
Mhm.
And if mother says, अरे यार यहाँ कर दिया, परेशान कर दिया, यहाँ कर दिया, वो कर दिया, you're bringing in guilt and shame to the
Yes.
child. And that person, your toddler is already feeling that thing which he'll carry forever in his life. You won't even realize how much
How
that will
much that
impact later on.
impact the
Versus if you
personality.
say that, नहीं हम चलते हैं, you should always do it in the washroom. कर दिया, it's okay. But next time when you have to do it, please let's go to the washroom. You call mama, you do this. You tell them what to do,
What to do?
and then they will do it. So then at least their self-esteem you're not breaking by गिल्ट एंड शेम. पीपल से अरे बच्चा ही तो इनको क्या फर्क पड़ता है, इनको कुछ भी बोलो, इनको समझ नहीं आता.
सब समझ में
सब
आता है,
समझ आता
सब
है बच्चों
समझ
को.
में आता है
यस.
उनको.
यस. दैट्स व्हेन दे लर्निंग द
व्हेन द
मैक्सिमम.
चाइल्ड इज इन द वूम कहते हैं कि आप अच्छा लिटरेचर पढ़ो, अच्छा म्यूजिक सुनो, भजन सुनो, थोड़ा-सा पूजा पाठ करो या अच्छी कंपनी में बैठो, बी मोर हैप्पी बिकॉज़ द चाइल्ड इज़ लिसनिंग टू एवरी कन्वर्सेशन. सो जब बच्चा इस दुनिया में आ गया है, तो आस-पास जो भी हो रहा है, उससे बच्चा अफ़ेक्ट होता है. सो बी वेरी अवेयर एज़ अ पेरेंट. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड कॉन्शियस पेरेंटिंग. आई वुड से दिस इज़
यस.
कॉन्शियस पेरेंटिंग व्हाट पूजा इज़ डूइंग, राइट? She as a parent, she's so conscious of what she wants to give to the child and how she wants the child's personality to shape up. So she's laying the basics. तो कहते हैं ना कि जितना हमारा बेस स्ट्रांग होता है उतनी पर्सनालिटी आगे जाके डेवलप होती है बिकॉज इवेंचुअली द चाइल्ड हैज टू गो टू द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड fight his or her own battles. But then when the base is strong, they know how to choose the battles, like the mama is choosing the battles. So the child will get to know what battles to choose and what to leave in life.
Right.
So, wow, such interesting and insightful conversation, Pooja. It's happening. And I'm so happy that you're such an aware and conscious parent who's hell bent upon giving the best to the child in your own ways. And in this process, you're guiding other mothers also. Like you said, you get so fabulous response on your page. I don't want you to ever stop your page. Please. Come
Thank you
whatever
so much.
may, आप हफ्ते का एक content please डालो, but put because if it is impacting lives, I always say that when we are in this knowledge giving industry, the coaching industry, or the kind of work that you're doing, I always feel that the universe has chosen us to pass on this
Yes.
knowledge. to the other
Yes, it's
world.
my calling, I feel,
Yeah.
in some ways.
When we talk about calling, you are the chosen one to impart knowledge to the world. So don't stop doing this because you're doing a fantastic job.
Thank you so
Fantastic
much.
job. Yeah. So another thing I want to know now that your
Hmm.
child is growing up,
Yeah.
he's going to find his own interests in life. And as a parent, I see lots and lots of parents, even in today's time, because they have got unfulfilled wishes,
Hmm.
they've got unfulfilled dreams.
Hmm.
तो हमारा बच्चा तो ये करेगा बिकॉज़ हम ये नहीं कर पाए थे.
हाँ.
And that creates a pressure on the child. The
Hmm.
child wants to study psychology and the child is told to study sciences.
Yeah.
So ये एक प्रेशर है जो बढ़ती एज के साथ आ रहा है बच्चों के ऊपर. But because you are an aware and a conscious parent, I want you to know from you what are your dreams as a mother for your child,
I would just want my child to be a happy child.
a happy
I
child.
have no dreams for him that I want him to become this or that. I want him to be happy because that's the most difficult thing to do, really, in life. Everything else will follow. Whatever he wants to do, he'll find. He'll find it himself. I want to give him all the opportunities that I'll expose him to all kinds of sports or his academics or whatever
And
it
then let
is.
him choose
Let him choose what works for him. But I have the confidence that he will do the best for himself. And that confidence comes from me being self-aware about myself. For me, it's important that I have his values set right,
Mm.
like his self-esteem, respect, the respect that he gives others or I give him, and that he should always do the right thing ethically. That's one thing I want to focus on. So I just want the values to be set right. Rest everything sab to
to
hota
fall
hi hai.
into place
Yeah, it'll all
automatically.
fall into place. He needs to be happy. If he's happy, he'll be happy and he'll create a happier world around himself.
Of course, of course. A happy world within is going to create a happy world
Yeah.
around,
So
right?
I've never thought about it that what I want him to be, and I don't even want to think about it.
Normally I
Kind
see
of,
parents, अरे हम ये करना चाहते थे, बेटा मैं नहीं कर सका, तुम ये अचीव करो.
yeah.
हो
I'll
रहा है
tell you
वो
a very
आजकल भी.
interesting thing. So we think as parents that वो बच्चा हमारा है. We attach that kids to us so much that we think that they're our property. हमने उसको पैदा किया है, हमने उसके पढ़ाया है, इतना इन्वेस्ट किया है. Why is he not listening to us? But they're actually not your property. Okay, it's selfless, right? It's selfless love. You're doing everything selflessly. They have their own journey. If we all start accepting that everyone is born with their individual journey, individual karmas, as you call it, or their own life, we are here to guide them, to nurture them, and then let them fly. You know how butterflies ko hum nurture karke then as
Set them to
yeah,
find their
set
own
them free,
beauty.
find their own thing. So we are here to guide them. And these initial years of parenting is the most important.
I would love to add something on this, my insight on this, because I read a lot about the journey of the soul and I've practically used this in my coaching sessions. So, every soul on this earth that comes on this planet chooses its journey before its birth. So, the child chooses this is the mother that I want in this lifetime, and this is the father that I want in this lifetime. So the baby soul that chooses the womb that it wants to get born from, it's not completely in your hands. You are being chosen. So be proud of the parent that you are. That soul has chosen you as a mother or as a father. So when she's spoken about the journey, so that soul has already decided what journey it has to follow in this lifetime. This is something very deep, but it's the basic how the soul chooses the parents. So हम पहले से ही चूज़ हुए होते हैं. Like Siddhant Samriddhi souls chose me as their mother पहले से ही.
Yeah,
So
I remember one of my first posts on Instagram was about thanking my child for choosing me
for
as his
choosing me
mother. I'm
as
like,
their
thank you for choosing me a mother. I'm so proud and happy to be your mother. It's all about gratefulness and everything ties up at the end of
everything
it.
comes up together in the end. So one more question I want to
Hmm.
ask, which is very important because I have always been a believer of having siblings.
Hmm.
So आजकल कॉन्सेप्ट चल रहा है इधर नो किड्स और वन किड.
Yeah.
So for me, when I was like, I have been brought up and I have believed in this thing that the first child is for the family,
Hmm.
and the second child is for the first
First child.
child. And I've seen this practically happen in our lives. We lost a mama 23 years back, 24 years back. We lost papa this year. And what support we siblings have been to each other. We are four siblings, like three sisters and one brother. What support we have given to each other. कई बार तो कितनी बातें तो मम्मा पापा को पता भी नहीं होती
अपनी
थी.
थी,
हम
हाँ.
आपस में ही निपटा देते थे. Me being the elder sister, तो दोनों छोटी सिस्टर्स के लिए आई एम अ मदर फिगर। सो कुछ भी होता था, दे नो दैट बेबी दीदी हैं जाने के लिए।
Hmm. Hmm.
शी इज़ अ गो टू पर्सन। So, and with my own children, I've seen my son is elder to Samriddhi by 3.5 years. The kind of bond they have, we like as parents, we cannot be there in the place that they have for each other. You know,
Hmm. Hmm.
parent can never take place of can never ever take the place of a sibling.
Absolutely.
So, but in this today's times where no kids, I know so
Hmm.
many couples who said कि हम तो
Yes.
बच्चा नहीं हमें
I know
चाहिए,
of many too.
and or one kid.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि फ्यूचर में तो बच्चा अकेला हो जाएगा, कोई भी शेयरिंग
Hmm.
के लिए नहीं होगा। You know those regular sibling tips and those fights and those like, you know,
Hmm.
I'll tell you a secret, I'll tell you a secret. This is so natural.
There's so much of learning you get
Yeah,
from a
yeah,
sibling.
yeah.
Hmm.
So, what are your thoughts about it? You have one child. What I won't ask what are your plans, but I would ask
No,
what is
I can openly say that I believe that there should be at least another kid. There should be a sibling.
sibling. There
That's
should be
my
sibling.
personal opinion. I don't mean to say that parents who decide not to have a second child are doing something wrong. I'm not saying that. But
It's a
my
personal
personal
choice.
opinion is two kids are good. You know, if
What's your
possible, if
reason for
doable.
to have a second child?
Yeah, so the reasons that I want a second child is, of course, because I think it's not only the first child, I myself also want to see two kids enjoying together, being their support. You know, I feel that later on when I'm not around, or if we are not there, they have something
They
like this.
being there for each
They're
other.
being there for each other. But I think in today's days, people are thinking that their priorities have changed. My personal opinion is that they're not realizing it maybe because they've not people who don't have kids, right? They don't maybe realize what happens when you have a kid, the kind of emotions you get and the experiences you get. Life comes a full circle,
Yes.
but you don't realize it until you have it. So it's okay. Maybe that's their own journey. That's what they've planned, and maybe they have their own reasons. There are a lot of parents who want but can't have it also. And I would not say that it is something right or wrong. It is your personal choice. But if somebody asks me that should you have you do you think you should have kids, I would definitely say please go for it. And please go for two, not one. I think it's a wonderful thing.
So, if I talk about myself, you're talking about my experience. I became a mother at the young age of 21.
Wow.
So I had Siddhant, and by 25th birthday, my I call Samriddhi my 25th birthday gift because मेरे 25th birthday से 1 महीना पहले समृद्धि पैदा हुई थी 97 में, and life has been very beautiful with both of them just being around, and I feel mothers are more privileged because they get more time to spend with the children rather than the fathers because they are busy with the work. Nowadays mothers are also working, but even then mothers have this special
Hmm.
bond with the children always. And I remember not for a day I have crept about it like मैं छोटी सी थी, बच्चे हो गए, ऐसे ऐसे काम किया क्या, everything was so happy because जितना मर्ज़ी आप टायर्ड होते हो, जितने मर्ज़ी आप एग्ज़ॉस्टेड होते हो, जितने मर्ज़ी आपके ऊपर इमोशनल कोई प्रेशर होता है, द मोमेंट यू सी द फेस ऑफ योर चिल्ड्रन और द मोमेंट दे कम रनिंग टू यू एंड पुट देयर लिटिल आर्म्स अराउंड यू, सब
It's a
कुछ
blessing.
मेंट हो जाता है। दैट इज़ लाइक गॉड कमिंग टू यू एंड गिविंग ऑल दैट लव टू यू।
Yeah.
So,
It's a miracle,
maybe it's
how
called old school thought, maybe because I always believe that you should have at least 2 children because in the end जब आप नहीं होंगे, आपके बच्चों के पास इमोशनल सपोर्ट जो एक सिबलिंग दे सकता है, okay, you have got a good friend circle, you've got a good social circle, you've got good cousins, but sibling is a sibling. So I always educate 2 children at least. And my journey as a mother has been fantastic and wonderful with Siddhant and Smriti, and to the point where me and Smriti have started a podcast, a mother-daughter podcast,
wow.
which yeah, I have to tell you about that. And what are we talking about? We're just talking about our journey as a child and a mother, and how we both evolved. And it's the same case with Siddhant also. So motherhood is very easy if you feel it is easy. Otherwise, problems तो life के हर sphere के अंदर हैं. And if Pooja can manage that so beautifully, like being doing so much and having a toddler around and handling every aspect of a life, and me being a mother, being there, done that, and finding myself at the age of 48 and pursuing so many passions for myself and being there as a mother also. So I feel everything is achievable.
Yes.
One important question, Pooja, I want to ask, अभी बात करते करते मुझे दिमाग में आया कि as a female, I advocate a lot for financial independence of females.
Hmm. Yeah. Very important.
What is your take on it? Why is it important for a female to be financially independent, in particularly in today's scenario?
Yeah, extremely important. Uh, the confidence it gives you, apart from just giving financial independence is there with financially being
Yeah,
aware,
yeah.
but the confidence it gives you that, okay, even if the world is not with me, I can
I can
still
take
do
care
my
of
thing.
myself.
I can
Yeah,
take
yeah.
care of myself. And the moment you are confident about that, you can pass on that confidence to your child. And it is important, you in today's age, you can't be dependent on
Anyone,
anyone,
anyone.
anyone.
And you should not
Okay.
be.
Like, even if it's about driving a car, I think all women should learn driving as well.
Mhm.
It's a small thing. It's not like you can't do it or many are not doing it. Many of them are doing it. But if you're thinking about it, go for it, because even that small thing gives you that kick. "Huh, I can drive, I can go anywhere I want myself."
Boost your confidence.
Boost your confidence. And
I'm seeing a lot of difference in my own self because as a homemaker, and now when I started working, it's not about the amount of money I'm earning. It is the kind of confidence it has given me, the kind of potential that is coming out every single day. I'm learning so much new about my own self. Okay, I can do this also, I can do this also. And definitely that financial independence gives you a certain confidence that come whatever may, I've got my own money to handle life, right? So I think every female should be financially independent, though I'm blessed with a financially sound family, but then it's not about the money that I'm earning. It's about the confidence and the capability that it's taking out of me and the potential, the hidden potential that I never had. I never knew that I'm not a qualified interior designer. I always talk openly about it, and I'm running a successful company out of it, right? So, बहुत कुछ change होता है, but financial independence, I think it's important in today's times for
very
every female.
and it's not difficult to be financially independent, trust me. In today's,
Yeah.
you can, whatever you like doing, you can just do it.
You can just turn
Just
into
have
your
to start.
profession, whatever
Yes,
you love
yes.
doing.
It was difficult in olden days.
Yeah,
There were not
yeah.
many opportunities, but today with the internet,
With the social
Google,
media onset, yeah, yeah.
source of information, even like you said, even if you don't have a certification, if you can just search, Google, read about it, get the knowledge,
And just
start
start
your
the
own,
journey.
start the
Start the
journey,
journey.
start somewhere, start where you are.
And it's going to take you eventually to a certain
Yes.
place.
You can't imagine where you can soar and how confident you will get.
So it's been a very, very impactful podcast with Pooja. And Pooja, there's so much more to talk about. I think I'll have to do another episode with you very soon. But till now, it has been a wonderful learning from you. I
Thank
have
you so
also
much.
shared my experiences and I've learned from you. And I'm sure the audience is going to benefit a lot from Pooja. So kudos to you. Keep up the journey. Keep up bringing up your child, and I'm sure your child is going to be very very proud of you when he grows up and sees when you allow him to watch YouTube. He sees this interview of his mom where you spoke how you shut off the internet to keep him off the screen. So
Yes.
then he's going to get to know the secret of why the internet was circling on YouTube. It was not coming up, right?
Yes.
So
Thank you
God
so
bless
much.
you
It
with
was
the immense happiness, and because all the people, all the guests that they come up on a podcast, so I personally give them the happiness merchandise. This is again my baby, so I would love to gift that to you.
sure. It was lovely talking to you, Nivedita. So much to learn from you as well.
So this is our happiness merchandise, happiness journal. It's got affirmation journal.
Daily affirmations. Yeah, that is something which we should do for kids right from their born.
Sure, sure.
Very nice.
And this is happiness frame, which you can put in your
Lovely.
room or your office.
Life is filled with happiness and love. Very good affirmation.
And this is a happiness reminder to put up on your office desk or कहीं पर भी जहाँ पर this daily reminders.
Very nice. I love it. Very nice. Thank you
All
so
for you.
much.